Hitesh Idnani is the founder and CEO of Trend Tech Consultants. It's a private wealth advisory. He's joining us from Kolkata right now. Hitesh, morning. Thank you so much for coming on. I want to begin first off by asking you, what are the sort of levels that you're seeing for the Nifty? We've come up to about 5,800. So is 5,900 a achievable target?
Absolutely, Smriti. Nifty hit a high of 63.50 in November 2010 and a low of 51.75 in Feb 2011. If you take a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of this fall, it gives you a level of around 5,900 to 5,920, and that is the exact level where the Nifty stopped its upward movement. So that is why 5,900 could be a key resistance point for the Nifty. Once again, if you draw a trend line from the falling tops that connects the tops from the 9th of November, where the Nifty was around 63.50, 4th of January where the Nifty was 6200, and 5th of April where the Nifty was 5940, you get a falling trend line which is somewhere around 5900 now. So both these scenarios need to be taken into account, which shows that 5900 could be a very critical resistance for the Nifty.
Right, then
on the downside, we
go ahead. What are you seeing on the downside?
Yes, on the downside, 5600 to 5700 should prove to be a support for the Nifty, because that's where a lot of the moving averages have converged, the shorter and the longer term ones. So my sense is that 5600 to 5700 should provide support to the Nifty. If we go much lower below that, then obviously we need to look at lower levels. But on a larger term perspective, as long as 5175 holds, the longer term bull move is intact, and once we cross 5900, that's when we should be looking at levels of 6200, 6350 and higher and newer highs from there on.
Hitesh, what should one strategy be in this particular week? I mean, we just have Friday, which is the last trading day. Tomorrow's a holiday again. So should you be doing anything at all at these levels, or should you hang on till Monday?
I think we should hold on. The market's taken a dip, but it's bounced back very smartly from there. Obviously tomorrow is off, Friday is the last trading day of the week. So I think most traders, the positional traders, would be waiting for the Nifty to stabilize around this level and start its upward move again before initiating fresh longs on a positional basis. Short-term traders obviously would be long based on today's bounce back, but my guess would be to wait for a couple of days, wait for this basing process to form completely, 5900 to be taken out, and that's a point in time when we can initiate longs from a positional basis.
Alright, and what are your picks, Hitesh? HCL Tech is one of the stocks that you picked out. What's interesting about it, and what levels can we expect for HCL?
HCL, the entire IT pack is looking good, but HCL Tech is one of the counters out there which showed a lot of strength when we had this fall in December, Jan, Feb, and it's got a chart pattern now which is showing, which is looking very good. So we could initiate longs in HCL Tech around these levels with a stop loss of 450 and a target of 550, and maybe even higher from there once we reach 550.
And anything in the banking space or mid-cap banks?
Yes, the banking space is something that is looking good, and there are a few counters in the banking space which I'm particularly bullish on. The first one being Bank of Baroda, where we could be long with a stop loss of 900 and a target of 1100. Axis Bank is another bank that is looking extremely good on the charts currently, so we could initiate longs out there with a stop loss of 1300 and a target of 1600.
And in the auto pack, Hitesh, do you have any favorites in the auto pack at all? This morning we're seeing a mixed picture coming out of there.
Yes, among the auto pack, Bajaj Auto is my favorite pick, top pick out there. The chart patterns are looking good, and it should give a good trending move in the next few months. So we could initiate a positional long with a stop loss of 1300 and a target of 1650 to 1700.
All right, and the other bank that you mentioned was Axis Bank. What sort of a target are you looking for Axis Bank?
Axis Bank, we have a target of 1600.
All right, Hitesh, talk to us about metals. Would you buy any of those metals at these levels, about Tata Steel, JSW Steel, and maybe Sesa?
Among the metal space, there's a mid-cap Metal Bhushan Steel which is looking good on the charts. The other counters that you mentioned, I would still wait for some time, because though the chart patterns are being formed, but I would not initiate it till we get a buy as per a model. So among the metal pack, Bhushan Steel is looking good.
All right.